You wake up Monday morning. Your alarm goes off at 6 a.m. You get dressed, grab your keys, drive to work. 8 hours, 9 hours, maybe even 10. You do this every single week, every single month, and somehow you still feel broke. Friday comes. You open your bank app and there's only $47 left until next payday. $47. Sound familiar? If it does, you are not alone. And more importantly, you are not broken. The system just never taught you how money actually works. But today, that changes. Because here's the truth. Nobody wants to say out loud. America is the richest country on earth. And somehow, millions of hardworking Americans are still living paycheck to paycheck. Not lazy people, not people without jobs. Hardworking people, people with bills, responsibilities, families, dreams, and almost no financial safety. So how does this happen? Simple. America was designed to make you spend. Think about your normal day. You wake up, open Instagram, and instantly someone is on vacation in Miami. Someone just bought a brand new car. Someone is wearing expensive Jordans. Someone is eating at luxury restaurants. And suddenly, your own life starts feeling small. So what do most people do? They spend. A new outfit here, DoorDash 3 times a week there. Amazon orders they barely remember buying. Subscriptions, Netflix, Spotify, gym memberships they stopped using months ago. And little by little, their money disappears. The average American spends thousands of dollars every year on things they don't actually need. And credit cards, that's where things get dangerous. Most Americans are carrying credit card debt with interest rates above 20%. Think about that. You are paying extra money just because you are already struggling financially. That's the trap. And most people stay trapped in it for their entire lives, but not everyone. Let me tell you about Marcus. Marcus is 24 years old. He lives in Atlanta, works a regular job at a logistics company, makes around $42,000 a year. On paper, that sounds fine, but reality, his rent is over $1,000 a month. Car payment, insurance, phone bill, student loans, and after everything is paid, Marcus barely has anything left. Maybe $300, and that money disappears fast. Fast food, weekend plans, online shopping. Then one day, everything changed. Marcus's car broke down. The repair bill, $1,200, and he didn't have the money, so he pulled out his credit card again. That night, Marcus sat alone in his apartment. No music, no TV, no scrolling on his phone, just silence. And for the first time, he asked himself a serious question. What if my life still looks exactly like this 10 years from now? That thought scared him because deep down, he knew something had to change. So Marcus made a decision, not a wish, not motivation, a decision. He decided to finally learn how money works, and slowly everything started changing. The first thing Marcus learned was budgeting, not a punishment, a plan. He started using the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of income goes to needs, rent, groceries, bills, transportation. 30% goes to wants, entertainment, eating out, shopping, and 20% that goes directly into savings and debt payoff before spending anything else. That one habit alone changed his life. But then Marcus discovered something even more powerful: automation. Every payday, money automatically moved into savings before he could spend it. $200 every 2 weeks. Small enough not to hurt, big enough to change his future. And after a few months, something incredible happened. For the first time in his life, Marcus actually had savings. Then he started looking at where his money was really going. Subscriptions, unused apps, food delivery, late-night impulse shopping. He realized he was wasting hundreds of dollars every month without even noticing it. So he cut back. Not completely, he still enjoyed life. But now he spent with intention, and that changed everything. A year later, Marcus had over $8,000 saved. His credit score improved, his stress levels dropped, and for the first time ever, he felt in control of his future. And here's the crazy part. Marcus did not become rich overnight. He simply became disciplined. That's the difference. Most people think wealth is built through luck. It's not. Wealth is built through habits. Small habits. Repeated consistently. That's it. Rich people understand this. They don't spend money trying to look rich. They buy assets, they invest, they think long-term. Meanwhile, most people stay trapped, buying things they cannot afford, to impress people who do not care. And that cycle never ends. So here's the question. What kind of future do you actually want? Because every dollar you spend today is a vote for your future life. Every unnecessary purchase moves you further away from freedom, but every smart financial decision, that moves you closer to peace, closer to freedom, closer to control. And no, you do not need to become a millionaire overnight. You just need to start. Start saving, start learning, start building discipline. Even $50 saved consistently every week can completely change your future over time. Because small actions compound. That's how wealth is really built. Not fast, but consistently. So here's what I want you to do today. Open a savings account, cancel one useless subscription, stop one bad spending habit, and start putting money away automatically, even if it's small. Because small progress is still progress. And 5 years from now, you will either thank yourself or regret not starting sooner. The choice is yours. If this video helped you think differently about money, hit that subscribe button, because every single week we're building real financial freedom together. And comment below, what is one money habit you are starting this week? I read every single comment. I'll see you in the next video. Let's build something real.